welcome back. You just noticed that record high that was just up there on the screen, 81 degrees set back in 1970, and I think that is going to be no more after today. We're going to see a high temperature at the airport into the mid 80s, probably around 83 degrees or so. So I think we are going to break a record under very clear skies, and that's going to be one of the major reasons we're going to warm up so much. All kinds of sun to warm things up to a very warm high temperature. It's going to feel like summer. Here's the radar, nothing over New York State, but if you take a look off to our west here, there are kind of two lines of showers and thunderstorms activity right over Wisconsin and Michigan and the Great Lakes, and that's associated with a cold front that will be coming through the area tomorrow afternoon. So we have one more day of really nice weather, one more day of the beautiful blue sky we've come to expect for the last 8 or 9 days or so, and then the clouds will start rolling in overnight tonight, maybe a little bit this evening, but mostly overnight tonight and into the day tomorrow. We will see a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon, but we're starting out pretty warm around the region, and that's going to be the major story today. Temperatures are going to feel like late July as opposed to late September. We're already at 61 degrees at the Binghamton Airport, and that is about 4 degrees below where we should be for the high temperature. We should get up to a high temperature of around 65 degrees at the airport, and we're already at 61. Union Endicott a little bit cooler, 55. Johnson City at 53. And even in the valleys, Stub and Kirkwood called in with 53. So, folks, I can't say it enough. We're going to warm up to a July-like temperature, and the record warmth is possible for today. It's probable, actually. We're going to get up to a high temperature of 83 degrees at the airport, and the record, as I said, set back in 1970. 81 degrees. The average high temperature is 65 degrees, so way, way, way above average. The culprit for all this warm temperature, besides the sun, is also this high pressure system, which is still sitting right off the coast here. It was sitting off the coast yesterday. We said it was going to stay there, and here it is. It's just kind of hanging out right off the coast, and the winds flow clockwise around the high pressure system, and that means the winds will be coming from the south and southwest, really a direct shot of southwest air coming into the southern tier and coming into New York State. But as this high pressure system finally moves well off the coast and moves out into the open water of the Atlantic Ocean, that wind will not be directly at Greater Binghamton. And also this cold front is going to start coming in. I was talking about it before. It's going to start coming in and push that high pressure out of here tomorrow afternoon, and also give us a chance for some showers and a thunderstorm or two. But none of that today. Clear skies, and we saw some fog earlier this morning, but it's burning off very quickly, and we're seeing temperatures this morning in the mid-50s around the region, up to near 60 in some spots. Lots of sun through the day today, and a record warm day, 83 degrees at the airport and into the upper 80s in the valleys. Tonight, stars and just a few clouds ahead of that cold front. We'll see low temperatures in the low 60s or so. And then, as I said, Wednesday, not a bad day. It's not going to be a washout. We will see some showers and thunderstorms activity later in the day into the evening, but for the most part, I think it's going to be a mix of sun and clouds. So not a terrible day tomorrow, and a high temperature a little bit cooler, 82 degrees, but that's still about 15 degrees above where we should be for this time of year. Then Thursday, the clouds will stay with us, and those chances for showers and thunderstorms will stay with us on Thursday as well. The clouds will keep things cooler on Thursday. We'll see a temperature of 76 for a high, and then a couple of leftover showers on Friday morning, and temperatures are really going to cool off, and then we'll see more seasonable conditions and lots of sun this weekend. Let's say congratulations to today's My Weather Art winner. Today's winner is Morgan Vosimicky of Endicott, and she drew a nice picture here of a rainbow and kind of a yellow-green looking sun there. Very interesting take on a nice day with a rainbow there and a hilltop with some flowers there. So congratulations to Morgan. Kids, you can easily get in on this contest. It's open from ages 3 to 10, and all you have to do is mail your picture to us here at the station or drop it off at the Discovery Center. For more information, you can go to newschannel34.com and click on My Weather on the left-hand side of the page. So, Bill, if you missed summer, if you missed those warm temperatures and, swimming pools and stuff, it's back today.
And some kind of wet stuff tomorrow? What is that? Rain. That's what it is.
Yeah, I know. I haven't seen that in a long time.
9 days in a row. And have you seen a better stretch of weather like this
I don't think
in recent memory?
Ever.
I haven't. All right. Thank you, Jordan. Right after the break, we'll have yesterday's winning lottery